Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the DASHAMI makeup look of Durga Puja, and this is the last day of Durga Puja, and for this I have kept the red theme for this look, and I have created this gorgeous golden eye look paired with red eyeliner and red lips, which is so much suitable for the auspicious Sindur Khela of DASHAMI. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I have moisturized my face and I'll be doing my face makeup, and for the foundation I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit foundation in the shade 238 Reach Tan, which matches me quite well. So I'm going to take it and mix it with the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Champagne. So mixing a liquid highlighter or a strobing cream with your foundation will give you a glowy look on your face. Your face will look a lot more glowier than before. So I'm just dotting it all over my face and blending it out with the help of my PAC 003 foundation brush, which just give you the best coverage ever. So I'm just blending my foundation with it. For the concealer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. So this one is a little bit dark for me, so it's best for concealing my under eyes. So I'm gonna put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and all the other usual areas where I just need to conceal. And blending the same with the help of the same blending brush. Now to highlight my under eyes, I am taking this Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade Medium and putting it under my eyes in the form of a triangle. You know the drill, guys. I'm also priming my eyelids with it and blend it again. So for setting my face, I'm going to use this LAKME 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm going to pat it under my eyes like this. And I will be also setting my eyelids with it and set my overall face with this powder foundation. Now it's time to do my eye makeup, and for the eyes I am going to use this eyeshadow palette from Bad Habit, and it's called the After Dark palette. So at first I'm taking these two shades called Cheeky and Rosy Glow in a blending brush, and I am just putting it all over my crease. So you have to be very much patient while blending this color. So you have to build up this color very slowly and in very slow motion, so you have to work on your crease very well. So now I am taking this gorgeous red shade from the palette called Crush on Me, and I'm just putting it in the outer 2/3 of my eyes and also in the inner part of my eyes and connecting them together. Now I am taking this brown shade called Slip Dress and putting it in the areas where I have put the previous red shade and connect the two colors together. Now taking this dark brown shade from the palette, which is called Arousal, I'm just putting it in the outer corners and the inner part of my lid. Actually, I'll be doing halo eyes for. So now taking a blending brush, I'm just blending out the edges so that there will be no harsh lines. So now taking the concealer, I'm putting it at the center of my lid like this. So I'll be doing halo eyes, guys, as I have told you, and now blending this out with the help of a flat shader brush. Now taking this gorgeous gold shade from the palette, which is called 24 Carat, and I'm just spraying a little bit of fixer and putting it on the part where I have applied the concealer. You can just build up the red shade in order to hide the edges. Now taking this pressed glitter from Wet n Wild, I am just using a flat shader brush and putting it all over my lid where I have put the golden shade. So now it's time to do my lower lash line, and for the lower lash line I'm going to take the shade Slip Dress and Crush on Me in a fat pencil brush and putting it all over my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Arousal, which is a dark chocolate brown shade. I'm putting it in the outer 2/3 of my eyes and putting the glitter at the center of my lower lash line. Now for tightlining my eyes, I'm going to use this Klosmique kajal in the shade Black and tightlining my upper and lower waterline with it. Now it's time to do my liner, and for the liner I'm using this L'Oreal gel liner in the shade Profound Black, and I'm gonna draw a regular winged eyeliner with it. So this is the star of the show, guys. It's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pioneer, which is such a stunning red shade. So I am taking it at the back of my hand like this, and taking an angular eyeliner brush, I am just drawing another wing on top of the black winged liner that I have drawn. So you have to extend the wing from the inner corner of your eyes till the previous wing. So this is a red liner which you have to draw. So now I'll be having falsies and we'll be right back. So falsie is done, guys, and it's looking really nice. So now it's time to contour my face, and for contouring I'm using this Freedom Professional bronzer, and I'm putting it in the hollows of my face and other areas where I just need to create some shadows. So I'm putting it on my forehead, on my jawline. Now for the blush, I'm using this great blush from Savannah Colors, and it's called Baked Blusher in number 05. So it comes with a blusher and highlighter shade. So I'm using the blusher on the apples of my face, and it's really stunning, guys. It's a really great shade. Taking that highlighter shade from that duo blusher, I'm putting it on the highest points of my face to highlight my cheekbones, my forehead, on my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. And you just need to be looking glowy. So taking it in a pencil brush, I'm highlighting my inner corners as well, and also highlighting my brow bone with it. So this is how my face is looking now. So now again for the lipstick, I'm using the same lipstick that I have used as a liner. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer, and you can see it is such a stunning shade. So I really love this lipstick, guys. So now to set my face, I'm using this LA Girl Pro setting spray and spritzing it all over my face. So this is the finished look, guys. I really liked how it turned out. If you like this video, then please hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe now. It's free. So this is a look which you can wear in the auspicious Sindur Khela of DASHAMI, and till then, take care. Bye.